How to fix Z Money Transfer app login issues. So once you launch the app, go to Profile icon. Then go to Sign In. Now over here, make sure that you enter your correct email address and the correct password of your account. If not, you can go to Forgot Password option. Now over here, all you would have to do is enter in your email address. Once you do so, you will receive a code so that you can verify your account and then reset your password. Make sure that you create a strong password consisting of letters as well as numbers for your banking account. Now, in another step, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, the app won't be working. Sometimes the bank application may have server down, so wait for some time before you try to log in again. After this, go to any web browser and then let's search for Z Customer Support. Now, after you search for Z Customer Support, you can see a number directly displayed. You can tap on Call this number, or else you can go to the official website of Z as well. From there, you can contact the customer support and then you can fix your login issues in the banking application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.